सर ऑगस्ट 16 मलार बोनेरा जावपाचें आनी तुमचो वर्ड आतां प्रिपेरेशन बिजी आहा. सो कशें प्रिपेरेशन स्टार्ट जाता तुमचें?
आता ॲक्च्युली प्रिपेरेशन म्हणल्यार इनफॅक्ट आता एक म्हयनो आदी तरी आमची प्रिपेरेशन स्टार्ट जाता. नाव हो तुमी ग्रूप पळयल्यार एक म्हयनो एक एक पाट आमकां उणो पडटा बिकॉज इट्स अ रियली टायरिंग जॉब. आता आमी हे सगळे तरणाट्यांक एकठांय घेवन तोरी आसतना कोत्ता आमी विथ दीस सेम एन्थुजियझम झील सारके. कित्याक सपोज हे ट्रेडिशन बॉर्न पडलें जाल्यार ही यूथ सगळीं सांडटली. दे वील नॉट अंडरस्टँड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द ट्रेडिशन वॉट वी हॅव आमी सांबाळून दवरला पळय तें तेजो व्हॅल्यू तांकां गमचो ना. आतां आमी करून आयल्या म्हणटूच आतां आमी ह्या भुरग्यांक फुडें घालता एन्ड दे शूड इन फ्युचर तेणी फुडें वचोंक जाय एन्ड दे वील टेक इट. दे आर रियली डुईंग अ वंडरफूल जॉब फ्रॉम लास्ट 1 मंथ नाचप प्रॅक्टीस करप फकाणां न्हू ती. एन्ड द टीम वर्क वॉट इज इम्पॉर्टंट इज टीम वर्क. शी इज आर लीडर हियर एस्प्रीड. शी इज डुईंग अ फॅन्टॅस्टीक जॉब अलॉंग विथ अदर्स हियर. ऑल तेजें नांव घेतलां म्हणजे ऑल आर डुईंग फॅन्टॅस्टीक जॉब हियर. So second thing is now the speciality of Bonera is here. आमी वर्ल्ड वायड सगळे फेमस आहा. दिवार बोनेरा म्हळ्यार फेमस आनी आतां ते UK करपाक लागल्या. UK जाता ते बोनेरा. सो इतली फेमस आमची बोनेरा आहा.
जे तुमकां कॉस्ट्यूम आनी एसेसरीज इक्विपमेंट तुमचे आसता ते कशें तुमी हे करता? तुमचे 40 जाणांचे वयर आसता तुमी.
ही 40 आनीक आहा ती ऑलमोस्ट 90 तेंकता. सो तेंचे सगळे कॉस्ट्यूम करता म्हळ्यार ड्रेन जाता सारकी टू गेट दॅट लायक कॉस्ट्यूम लायक मॅचिंग with the costume, with accessories and all these things, like very tough. But still, we are going strong.
एवरी इयर तुमी दुसऱ्या थिमाचेर तुमचो फ्लोट परेड आसता. सो चॅलेंजींग कितें आसता?
चॅलेंजींग काय ॲक्च्युली ना, कित्याक आमचे कडेन जाता बेसूरकार आमी. नॉट ट्राय टू बी प्राऊड ऑर एनीथिंग, बट एज फार एज आय हॅव सीन अँड वॉट वी हॅव डन, it has been challenging just to get dancers, do the steps, because we don't get time. Otherwise, they sagle best chalta. Amche team always best halle, so we are good to go.
What are the things you can't do on the float?
We can't use thermocol, like those basic things that can
And
hurt.
flax.
Plastics. Yeah, plastics and things like that.
We are trying to avoid thermocol, flax and plastic. The maximum आमचे avoid करता यूज करपाक. आनी सगळे आमचे चडशे whether it is wood or some other just like, but excluding thermocol.
फ्रुट्साचो स्पेसिफीक लेंथ आसपा जायो अशी रेस्ट्रिक्शन्स बीन कितें?
Nothing like that. Only the time factor for the float, 25 minutes, including 2 minutes message.
हां ते मेसेज म्हणला पळय तुमी, मेसेजीन एक्चुअल कितें आसपाक जाय?
Message in the, now for example, I am having one concept like, based on that synopsis, like briefing synopsis like of that particular theme.
Introduce the theme to the judges and the audience.
Synopsis of the theme, like.
सो इंट्रोडक्शन पयलीं जाता, मदीं जाता, लास्टाक जाता?
Starting.
स्टँडर्ड प्रोसिजर कितें आहा फ्रुट्साचो? लायक तुमचे 4 वर्ड पार्टिसिपेट करता, सो कोण फर्स्ट वयतलो सेकंड हे कशें डिसायड जाता?
The committee who organizes the Bonera festival, they have a meeting prior to everyone deciding, and they take lots, and on the basis of lots, they are given the positions first, second, third, or fourth.
लॉट्स खंयच्या दिसा काडटा?
This is around a week before we start preparing for Bonera. So around the end of July, last week of July, they start taking the lots once we decide the theme and all.
जेन्ना फ्लोट परेड स्टार्ट आसता पळय तुमचे लिपसिंग, डान्सिंग सगळें ते चालू आसता, इतके एक्सप्रेशन म्हणजे एक्टिविटी कशें आसता?
I mean, it comes with just the energy, the love for the festival itself. And then 1 week before Bonera, we always keep on practicing the coordination to sing the song. We've been doing it for a whole month. So that song is just, ingrained in our mind. So we just sing it all together. And on that day, we just get a lot of energy looking at each other dancing. performing for the audience, for the judges. We don't think about the competition. We are just enjoying.
There are so many members of you here. So how you manage while practicing?
So we practice in different locations. So at one place the youth dance group will practice, another place the children's dance group will practice, another place someone is building the float. So it's all delegated around to the different members and the different places around Belsur. So that's how we manage. And on the last few days we all come together, make it one long float and we put it up in front.
With the
Sequence.
sequence and all. Now
So-
the float is going on there.
So you are aware about the floats, how it's going to be. And
Yes.
It's still cooking.
there is one more thing happening in the Malar Bonera all Goa fancy dress competition. So what do you like to say about that?
Now see, to be very frank and sincere, at one point, I'm just giving you my example. I used to go to Margaon, Mapsa, Vasku for fancy dress competition. It was organized all over, all Goa. But here we are giving opportunity. आख्खे गोंयभर आमी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज येवन फॅन्सी ड्रेसाक भाग घेया बट म्हाका अशें दिसता की कोणाक इंट्रस्टूय ना ओ कॅरेट डॅम हे आनी कितें नाचोन वयतले थिंगा ओ मे बी पार्शलिटी इज गोईंग ऑन नथींग लायक दॅट इट इज युअर पार्टिसिपेशन फॅन्सी ड्रेस एंड टू कीप द ट्रेडिशनल लायफ दॅट इज अ थिंग लायक
So in fact, through this message, we encourage more people from all around Goa to take part, register for the fancy dress competition. There are prizes and there are n number of spots available for people.
Malar Bonera oldest flag festival. So flags what depicts?
Flags means Banera. Actually, it's a Portuguese, like Bonera.
Word
Flags.
Bandera
Flags.
comes from Bonera.
Flags. So, there is history like, there is border, झगडी चलताली हल्ल्यो आतां फोटाशी हल्ल्यो पळय त्यो डिपिक्शन कितें आर्मां कशी like guns like so they used to fight and all that fights to take now this Potashi Ahalya that time a lot of incidents used to take place like especially not दिवाडकार न्हू चड करून जे भायले कोण येताले पळय ते हे फोटाशींचो भरपूर मिसयूज करताले आतां कोण कोण चेडवांचेर ओदीक करून फार मारप आनी I don't want to say that, but it was very too distracting. Plus, जे कोण लोक फ्लोट पळयताले तांकां पासून सारके फ्लोट पळोवंक मेळनासले दोळ्याचेर मारप फार सगळे all these things used to happen. So at a certain point it came to just like एकल्याच्या कोणाच्या दोळ्याचेर बसून ते जावन भुरग्याक बरो डॅमेज जालें तेन्ना सावन ते इट वॉज टेकन अ डिसिजन टू बॅन दीस स्टॉप दीस लायक तेन्ना सावन तो फोटाशी बंद
सो खंयच्या वर्सा बंद जालें कितें तुमकां खबर आहा लायक
ते 10 years जातली 10 to 15 years बंद
10 months.
मागीर जातली.
20 years झाले
Yeah,
Because आम्ही येतेशी आली तेन्ना आमचेर पासून मारलेले माझ्यार पासून मारलेले त्रास नासता अजून पण आसता बिकॉज इट इज व्हेरी
मार लागलो तर आयज पासून कुठे आसा
हांव येतेशी आसले तेन्ना मारलेले तेन्ना सारखे
आता हे जे व्हडले जाले तरी कुठे आसना
बट आय थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 20 years.
तुमच्या भितरलो कोण फॅन्सी ड्रेस कॉम्पिटिशनान पार्टिसिपेट बा केला
ना आमकां कितें जाता आमी डान्सान उरतानी आनी आमचो फ्लोट बा आसता सो आमी पावना फॅन्सी ड्रेसान पार्टिसिपेट करपाक बिकॉज वी आर बिजी गेटिंग रेडी फॉर आवर फ्लोट
4 वॉर्ड पार्टिसिपेट करता हितून मलार बोंदेरान कितके हेल्थी कॉम्पिटिशन आसता
Competition is always healthy because finally it is a local village festival. The old tradition of it being between borders and all that, this is gone. Now it is just a festival where we are celebrating a dance and music and flag festival. So it is yet still a competition that drives our ambition to do well. But it is always a healthy competition.
Because we are
everything
just
goes,
one village.
Yeah, and everything goes by a process.
And we know each other, like all the boys. We are friends actually.
Yeah.
After the Bodara, you'll see we all are going to dance together.
Dance together.
After the float.
एक एक वेळ कॉम्पिटिशन हेल्दी असता पण जजमेंट आणि हेल्दी असता
तुम्ही केन्ना प्रायज बा जिखला
लास्ट इयर आम्ही असं म्हणून मागीर हे केलें. पयलीं आमी 4 वर्सां घातल्या.
लास्ट 5 years तुम्ही फर्स्ट सेकंड कितें केलें?
फर्स्ट लास्ट
year
इयर सोडून त्याच्या पहिली वर्सा आम्ही 4 फावटी कंटिन्युअस फर्स्ट येयला
So,
सोडून लास्ट इयर सो 5 yearsनी 4 फावटी आम्ही फर्स्ट येयला
लास्ट इयर पासून मातशें कशें तेंपोवन गेले
मागीर आमी आसूं म्हटलें की आमी चड फावटी येयले.
सो तुम्ही मल्टिपल टायम फर्स्ट येयला, सो मल्टिपल टायम फर्स्ट येतकूच कितें तुम्ही एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स घेता?
एफर्ट्स तेच आमचे
आमी फर्स्ट येऊ सेकंड थर्ड फुल एनर्जी बिकॉज वी लव
The competition is always very close also. It's just a matter of few points here and there. Maybe the song or the theme or the dancing energy. It's just a matter of, it happens a lot on that day, on the basis of that day itself. The energy of all the dancers, energy of all the people standing in the float. So it's a very close competition that happens on that day.
बोनेरा दिसा तुमचे आनी एक आसता की पासय आसता, मागीर ट्रेडिशनल फूड्स तुम्ही ते डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता, ते एक्चुअली कितें?
So the Pasoi starts at the church. After from the club courtyard, they walk up to the church, and from there the parish priest will bless the Pasoi, and we take a heritage walk around the island of Malad. I'm the MC for that, and we taste traditional sweets of each ward. So first we'll have Church Wado, then Goda, then Amboy, and then finally Bilsur. We walk around each ward. Then because we have invited people like college students from outside and people, they do street plays at each stop. So it takes around an hour to walk around the entire village. We look at all the old heritage houses that we have, different points around the island, and then finally they come and they gather near the stage and the Kathodio starts taking place. So that's the end of the Pasoi.
Sweets are given just to show the outsiders who are coming to that pasui तांकां तो टेस्ट दिवपाक. आदली कितें आतां चडशे आदली कोण भुरगीं खावंकूच सोदिना, भुरग्यांक आतां सगळे रेडी फास्ट जाय. सो ते आदली आमी करता सो दे गेट द टेस्ट ऑफ इट वॉट वी यूज टू ईट अर्लियर इन ओल्डन टाइम. दॅट इज द बेसिक आयडिया ऑफ दिस ट्रेडिशनल स्वीट्स बीइंग सर्वड एट ईच वॉर्ड.
तुमची मेन स्टेज आसता, तुमची फ्लोट्स परेड कंप्लीट जाली, मागीर जे इव्हेंट्स जाता तितून कितें आसता?
So a moment the floats get over, then there will be a few speeches from the judges, the chief guests, and all. Immediately after all those formalities are over, the beat show starts. First we'll have the live band, followed by the DJ playing up to 10.
And during this time also they announce the result. They're all eagerly waiting for that.
So everyone collects at that one location. Some there to hear the dance, to hear the result. Some are there just to enjoy the dance in that area.
सो बोंदेरा खुबशे लोक येता आनी खुबशे जाण हॅप्पी जावन वयता, पूण सोसायटीन खुबशे जाण डिप्रेशन, एन्जायटी हे सुद्दां फेस करता. ताजेर कितें मेसेज आसतलो तुमच्या कडच्यान?
आमी कितें सांगूंक कोता सगळ्यांनी येवचें, बरे भशेन एन्जॉय करचें आनी बरे भशेन घरा वयचें. दॅट इज आवर होल मोटो. ओके, हिंगा येवन बिकॉज आमचो आयलंड तो इट्स अ ट्रेडिशन, सो वी डोंट वॉन्ट आवटसायडर्स टू कम हियर अँड स्पॉयल दॅट. मागीर कितें जाता, आमचे मालाचें नांव पिड्यार जाता न्ही, हे भुरगे आयले, अमकें जालें, हें जालें, तें जालें. सो आमकां कितें जाय, सगळ्यांनी येवचें हिंगा, बट येवन बरे भशेन एन्जॉय करून तुका जाता पळय ते भशेन प्युअर वॉटेवर खावन तुमी वयचें म्हणून. सो कांय हें करपाचें ना, पडेपणा मस्तीपणा करपाचें ना, कित्याक हो आमचो गांव. हिंगा जाणटी रावतात, भुरगीं रावतात, सगळो लोक रावतात. सो यू हॅव टू रिस्पेक्ट एवरी वन.
Now if you see like आता आमच्याच फ्रुटान आमी जाणट्यांक पासून हाडल्या, जाणटी पासून उमेदीन नासता, कोमे करून जाणटी उमेदीन नासतली फाटी, सो तांकां पासून हाडल्या आमी. तेंचे केंस दोळे जावन पूण हार्ट सारके पोन्ने आहा तेंचे.
बोनेरा हा न्हू दिवार आयलँडाचेर जाता. दिवार आयलँडाचे बद्दल तुमकां कितें सांगचें दिसता?
Diwar, आमचो island is something unique and beautiful. It's the only island which is remaining now. That is why, because it is surrounded with water on all the sides, and ferry cross करून येवपाक जाय म्हणून. So we want to preserve it. We want it as an island forever. आमकां ते आनी डिस्ट्रॉय करूंक नाकाच. इफ ते डिस्ट्रॉय जाले देन बोनेरा आसची ना. आमचे आनी फेस्टिवल हा स्पेशल पोतेकार, तेवूय जावंक पावचे ना. सो दीस इज आर आयडेंटिटी अँड वी वॉन्ट इट फॉर एव्हर. आमकां तो ब्रिजूय नाका, आमकां कितेंय जावं, फेरीक लागून मरोंक तुवें 2 मिनटां फेरी धरपी, पूण ब्रिज नाका. So that is the whole idea of our island. And if it is not an island, Bodera जावची ना. I'm telling you, mark my words. And you can work out.
These are one of the very few places now in Goa which the culture is still left.
And people want to come here just because of the island. No?
ऑल गोवा फॅन्सी ड्रेस कॉम्पिटिशनान कितें रिप्रेझेंट करूंक मेळना? लायक
So it says, according to the rules and regulations, no religious and political figures is the only this. Rest you can come up with anything in your own creativity. to represent.
And you will not see any vulgarity and all some such type of things like now. This is the village, right? You will never see any vulgarity and all this like compared to other just like
Clothes carnival,
carnival and all that. Some you see, but you will never see some vulgarity here. Typical we are having following this respect of the village and of the youth like.
इतके वर्सां जाली तुमी वर्साच्या वर्स प्रॅक्टीस करता प्रॅक्टिसाचेर तुमचे मेमरीज क्रिएट जाता तुमची कितें मेमरीज तुमकां उगडा आसा जे आयच्या दिसा तुमी आमच्या वांगडा शेअर करूं शकता
all of us, dance with that enthusiasm, and we scream and we dance, we take steps, we tease others, we take what not sounds and we dance. That's really fun, and being together is more important. That is what we want, and we do it every year.
जे तुमचे सॉंग आसता पळय तेजे लिरिक्स कोण बरयता
It's either composed or we take it from the internet. It's not like always we have to compose or take it from the internet. We can do any one of either of it.
तुमचे कडेन डान्स स्टेप्स आसता न्हू ते वेस्टर्न आसता वा फोक डान्स आसता
It's a mix. It's a mix.
Timache
Songachi.
depends होता. If the
Song,
theme is very traditional, then we go with Goan Fugadi dance and all. And if it's Western, then we do Western steps. It depends on and how the song is. Now,
This time we have blended it.
yes,
This time we have blended it with western steps and Goan. So mash up केला आम्ही.
ओके थँक्यू
देव बरें
आम्ही
करूं.
हे म्हणटा बरे
3, 2, 1.